The potholes on this gravel road were really getting to our nerves, and they were getting on our nerves because we were building a shop down here and a house down here, and when you drive on these potholes every day or every time you go to the job, it gets really annoying. And the potholes are really bad in this one spot right between a pond and then where the overflow spills over on the downhill side. So there's really no way to drive on one side of the road or the other to miss the potholes. You have to go right through the middle of them. So when we had some extra gravel over at the job site and the skid steer was there, we're like, hey, we're just going to clean up this stretch. So hopped in the Bobcat skid steer, grabbed a bucket load of this good limestone base course gravel. We really like limestone because it has a lot of fines within it, limestone fines, and clay. There's a portion of clay in there that helps it bind together rather than clean rock. Clean rock's really loose. So we use this limestone base course. It's like a road base type material. Brought a couple scoops over here and we filled in these potholes and then proceeded to kind of smooth things out a little bit, spread things, make it so it's a nice clean, easy transition through here. We didn't have to do it, but I guarantee you the clients are going to be happy and everybody else who drives on this road, including our subcontractors and material suppliers. And while we were working here, even a Forest Service guy drove by, so I'm sure they'll be appreciative of a little bit of time spent cleaning up this road. And I know it's not ideal compaction, but then we ran back and forth over this fresh base course gravel a decent number of times with the tracks of the skid steer just to track pack it in. And then as the vehicle traffic drive over it, I'm sure that it'll get packed in really, really nice. We currently have garage door installers working on installing a garage door in the shop we built just up the road here a little bit. So when they drive back over it with their 1-ton pickup pulling a big trailer, that will help pack it in a little bit better. So yeah, really cleaned it up nicely.